To our Chief Justice Jasmundo, Secretary Crispin Remulla, Associate Justice Marquez, and Associate Justice C, Charge Affairs Sanchez Solis, to all our family from the Supreme Court, from the Department of Justice, from the DILG, magandang hapon po. Indeed, this is a historic moment for everyone. Kami po sa Department of the Interior Local Government, mas madadalian kami with the e-warrant. Nag-uusap nga kami kayo ng Chief Justice, sabi niya nga this will be a nightmare for recidivists. Mas mabilis po ito. At alam mo naman, sa police, napaka-importante kagad ng warrant. Kung minsan, nandiyan na yung tao, hindi mo pa makahuli. So, for the BGMP, for the Bureau of Jail Management, just to give you some data, in 2023 alone, we have had 77,467 persons deprived of liberty who benefited from good conduct and assisted by paralegals. Additional 18,865 qualified for other deductions. So, at marami po dito ay talagang nag-overstay. In fact, our jail congestion truly decreased last May. And for the first time, we will also need this. Why? Last year was very historic because we got the first time that the persons deprived of liberty voted during the barangay election. So, this kind of information system is truly very handy. It will be expedient, fast, and effective for everyone. As such, the DILG really supports this project. Tama po kayo, Chief Justice, yung gastos, kami na po problema. Sinabi niyo po kanina. And, sa totoo lang, nakakatuwa talaga si Chief Justice. Tama po si Sec. Remulla, I joined him. By its own, it's a co-equal power. Kung titignan mo, dapat mahirap ang ganito. Kung saan ang araw dito pa, problema sila kung saan And yet, tingnan yung ginawa through the leadership of the Supreme Court, of course, the DOJ, ano nangyari, ang dami natin nagawa. At ang magbe-beneficio nito ay no less than si Juan de la Cruz. Mabuhay po kayo na.